doo wop a doo wop shoo be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo be doo be doo wop a doo
all night long. She give me catching all night long. Well, it's been such a long day. I'm kinda tired, bringing soothing arms my way. My back is aching and my body's sore. Don't stop, honey, you know that I want more. She give me catching all night long. She give me catching all night long.
doo wop a doo wop shoo be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo be doo be doo.
Hi, Maya. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day.
Happy
She's laughing.
birthday. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day.
Okay, happy birthday.
Bye bye.
My little monkey, Humpty Dumpty, Mama called the doctor and the doctor.
Happy birthday, Aunt May. I hope you have a very special day as you deserve it. Thank you for teaching us all the dances from our culture.
Thank you for putting a smile on everyone's faces. I hope you enjoy your special day spending time with your loved ones.
Happy birthday! Many more to come!
Mahal kita.
Happy birthday, May. Stay as sweet as you are.
Wish you all the best.
Yan na, miss you. Meron tayong interpreter Okay, tama na yan.
Ang mabait na bata, magandang pagmasdan.
Happy birthday, Ate May. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Yun lang po, mabuhay.
Happy birthday, Ate May. Wishing you all the best. Good health and be happy always.
Day, May. God bless you in all your ways and for all your family. And a healthy life to you all. And Lord Jesus and Mama Mary will be with you always. God bless you, May, and family. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Happiest birthday, Inday May. Daghang kayo salamat sa imong pagtudlo og sayaw. Best teacher di ka na ako kay di ko ka mamusayaw. Dali naman di ang sayaw, kanting naman di ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much. Tugod mo nakasayaw tag Springvale. Yay! Hope all your wishes and dreams come true. Hope you have a wonderful birthday celebration today. Happy family all the time. Healthy. Safety. Ano pa ba? We love you always. Happiest birthday.
Happy birthday, Teacher May. Wishing you all the great things in life, and then enjoy your day every day. Happy birthday.
My motto in life is God is for us, who can be against us.
Always try your best to live in peace.
Happy birthday! We love you! God bless us all.
Hi May, how are you? Hope you're having a nice day today on your birthday. God bless and enjoy your day.
Hi May, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Take care. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear May. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Thanks, May.
Thank you. See you soon.
Congrats on your big 40. Happy 40th birthday. What a big milestone it is. All I'm wishing for you is all your wishes and your desire in life will come true. And I'm hoping and praying that whatever you wants to attain in life, you still can attain it. And I'm very happy now I found a friendship with you, and many more birthdays to come, and good health. Wishing you a good health and best wishes and a perfect and a beautiful life ahead. Happy birthday!
Ayos na ang buto-buto. Ayos na ang buto-buto. Ayos na galaw-galaw ko. Ayos na ang buto-buto.
Happy birthday, May! Wish you all the best. Enjoy life. Be safe always. Remember that we love you very, very much. Enjoy!
Dora! Let's go! Dora, Dora the Explorer! Dora! Boots and super cool Exploradora! Need your help! Grab your backpack! Let's go! Jump in! Vámonos!
Hi, May! Happy birthday! Miss Duck, we love you. We love you and care for you. Don't forget, we sang together with the one day at a time, so you can remember me. We remember you and remember me. You're a nice lady, a good teacher, a model, mother. You have a good idea, all good. You are talented, gift, you have a God's given talent. So, this that. Keep it. Much appreciated. Happy birthday.
Hello, May. Your 40th birthday is very special. You are a very special lady. You help everybody. So please make sure today you sit back, relax, and get spoiled by everybody. You deserve it. Have a great day. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. Okay, take care and enjoy.
Happy birthday, May. More birthdays to come. Cheers!
Happy birthday, May.
birthday.
Sana napaligaya ka namin. Maraming salamat sa pagtsatsaga mong pagtuturo ng mga sayaw sa amin. At sana marami pang sayaw ng ating matututunan sayo. At happy birthday. Hope you have a lovely day. At sana nasupresa ka namin ng maganda. Cheers! Happy birthday. Happy at 40. Thank you. Bye. Wish you all the best and with your family.
Happy birthday, Aunt May.
Dahil birthday mo, bigay ako libre horoscope para sa'yo. Kung gusto mo swertehin sa buhay, kailangan mong tumulong sa dalawa mong kaibigan. Pakita ko sa'yo mga muka ng mga kaibigan mo. Unang kaibigan, tutulungan mo siya. Kailangan tulungan mo siya magbunot ng kilay palagi. Magtanim ng kilay. At higit sa lahat, huwag mo hayaan mawala kanyang kilay. Pag suswertehin ka kapag tinulungan mo siya. Pangalawang kaibigan, tulungan mo siya. Masyado siyang madaldal. Kailangan mo siya patahimikin. Pag pinatahimik mo, sobra pasok blessing sa'yo, tsaka sobra swerte sa buhay. Kailangan mo lang to patahimikin. Silang dalawa, kailangan mong tulungan para maging swerte ka sa iyong karawan. Happy birthday, Ate May. 谢谢 Dao Mingsu Shangchai.
Happy birthday, me. Wish you all the best and stay healthy. Magtadagan pa nga blessings ihatag si Lord sa inyo nga o pag-amping matira. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Mommy Mian. I love you. I miss you. Birthday, May. God bless. Amping, I love you. Happy birthday, May. Wish na ko good health japon ka amping. Love you.
Hello, Te. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health always, together with Paul and Francis. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Take good care always, Te. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday. We miss you and we love you.
Hi, Anne. Happy birthday. I wish you good health always and more blessings to come, and I wish you more birthdays to celebrate. Take care always and God bless. See you soon. Something for me. Love you. Bye.
Yeah. Hi, Anne. Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come and stay happy. Be strong. And always pray. Many words to say, but only I can say is happy birthday. I love you, Anne.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yuki-kun.